Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili potato at home. This easy method ensures a delicious snack every time. First, we'll prepare our main ingredient, the potatoes. You'll need about 2 large ones, washed, peeled, and cut into thin, uniform strips. Soaking them in cold water for about 15 minutes helps achieve that perfect crispiness later on. This simple step is crucial for a great texture. Now that our potatoes are prepped, it's time to get them crispy. Make sure to drain them very well and pat them completely dry before frying. This prevents oil splatters and ensures maximum crispiness. Fry them in hot oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once done, remove them and let them rest on a paper towel for a few moments to soak up any extra oil, making them perfectly ready for the sauce. With our potatoes ready, let's create the star of the dish, the chili sauce. In a separate pan, heat about 1 tablespoon of oil. Sauté some minced garlic and ginger until fragrant, then add your chopped onions and bell peppers. Cook these until they are just slightly softened, retaining a bit of crunch. Finally, stir in a generous amount of soy sauce, your favorite chili sauce, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. The final step is bringing everything together for that irresistible chili potato experience. Carefully add your perfectly crispy fried potatoes into the warm, flavorful chili sauce. Toss them gently but thoroughly, ensuring every single potato strip is beautifully coated in the delicious sauce. Garnish with some freshly chopped spring onions for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve your homemade chili potato immediately and enjoy this fantastic snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.